Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm so excited because I have a handbag unboxing for you guys today, and it is so fun because I've been waiting for this bag unboxing. I custom ordered it. You can custom order the same thing too. This is a Staud bag. I saw it on TikTok. As soon as I saw it on TikTok, I knew I had to pick it up. I originally went on the Staud website. They didn't have them in stock, and I emailed them and I asked them if they would be getting any back in stock, and they emailed me back saying yes. And then lo and behold, a month later they had it in stock. I think it was around $600, and it took about 8 weeks for it to be completed. So I don't know if you guys follow the brand Staud. They're usually known for their beaded bags. I did not get a beaded bag. It has this really beautiful, it does not come with any paperwork, but it's fine. Has the beautiful dust bag, and it is very crumpled, but here we reveal, how stinking cute is that? So I think this is called the Rey bag. I'm actually gonna probably make some sort of, I think, like bag insert for it. It's obviously 100% non-refundable because I customized it. So it's a canvas bag, which means the price point, honestly, it's expensive for what it is because it's canvas and it's not even a coated canvas, so it can get dirty really easily. And then there is leather trim on it. It is a big bag. It also fits on the shoulder really nicely, I have to say. It did not come packaged the most beautiful, but it is a collaboration between Staud and this brand, or this artist named Bonds Embroidery. They also do embroidered like white or blue button downs. They also have a jean jacket. To be honest, I would get a jean jacket, but the jean jacket, I believe, is only a paint. Like, they don't embroider it like how it is here. So I sent in a photo of Harlesberg, and then they basically took his photo and embroidered it on this bag, and it says Harley on it. I love it so freaking much. This is the back of the bag. If you had two pets, like, it would have been so great if you could embroider two, but you can only actually embroider one pet at the moment. It is a completely open tote like you see here. And then there is this little back pocket pouch here. So there's like a back opening. I don't know if you can see this properly. So there's a back pouch here, and then there's also a zippered pouch right here, which is cool. So it has a zippered compartment where you can store, oh my god, I'm doing such a horrible job at this. So there's the back pouch, the zippered compartment, and then on the back here it says Staud, and I don't know where the bag is actually made. And then it's an open bag, and then there is a D-ring that kind of closes the bag together. But yeah, it just looks like this. I am so excited. I've been waiting for this bag for so long. I'll show you guys the picture that I used for my Staud order. So this is the photo that I uploaded, and this is the photo that they embroidered. I think they did a really good job. Oh my god, I love it so much. Yeah, so I need some tissue to really pack this bag in, but I think this is gonna be my new little tote bag to use, and I really like it. The bottom is leather as well. That's really nice. So at least I know the bottom's not gonna get completely gross, and everything else is just, look at the detail on Harley. Oh, I love it so much. There's nothing better. Like, this is such a beautiful gift if, like, you have a friend that you know that would love this bag because of the embroidery. They have other bags as well. I just don't like them. And they have, if you do like the paint instead of having it embroidered, they do have that option in select bags. Like some of the leather pieces that are full leather, they have that option for those bags as well. But I really like the embroidered option. I think that is what fit my style the most. But yeah, I'm very excited. It says Staud plus C-bonds embroidery on this tag here, which is really cool. And it's just a huge open tote. I think it is well worth the money. I think it also is gonna fit a lot. I think I really like the handle strap because like I can literally wear it like a tote bag. I almost bought a boat tote, which I'm still interested in purchasing a boat tote because I just love tote bags so much, but this might replace my need for a boat tote. I didn't have to pay any extra duties on it. It was, let me just double check my order for you guys. I ordered this on like May 31st. It is now July 22nd, so it did take quite a while to get back to me, and it was 590 Canadian dollars plus taxes, and then they did make me do a $12 root package protection. So all in all, the total for it, I paid $678.70, and then of course I had to wait about a month and a half for it to get here. Oh, one detail about the process is that you upload a photo of your pet and you write their name down, and you can leave the name out if you don't want the name on there, but you do not get to preview what it looks like. I did a custom necklace a while ago from Wolf Palace, and mine is 14 karat gold, but Clary's, who is the artist for the Wolf Palace, she did send me a preview of what my picture or my like stencil drawing or engraving would look like on that Wolf Palace necklace. I actually think I used the same photo because I just love this photo so much. But anyways, so like that, I did get a preview. This, you didn't get a preview. You just really had to trust the process. But honestly, he looks so cute. I love it so freaking much. So excited for this. Yeah, I should definitely do a unboxing on TikTok. So I think I'm gonna do that right now. If you follow me on TikTok, follow me there at Hello Harley. If you follow me on Instagram, follow me there at _Hello Harley, because I'm gonna be styling this baby. I'm gonna start using it, and I definitely need to make some sort of bag organizer for this because I feel like it needs a bag organizer. It's just so floppy. There's not much structure to it, and because it's been stored like this for so long while it's shipped to me, it keeps having a tendency to pop backwards, and I need to restore its structure because I like my bags more structured. So yeah, I'll probably work on making some sort of like trapeze or like triangular bag organizer for this. Let me know if you guys would want to see a video on that too. I did make a video briefly for like the Bottega one that I made, but honestly, if you don't have like a sewing machine, it's really hard to do because you just need the sewing machine. Also, I need to find felt for it probably, so that's another thing. But yeah, here is my little unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think it is well worth the price. If you have a pet at all, if you have a pet that you lost, it's absolutely stunning. I think this is the like most favorite bag that I own, and I own so many good bags, but this has to be hands down my favorite bag now. Yeah, this Staud embroidered Rey tote. I love it so much. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Follow me on Instagram _Hello Harley. Follow me on TikTok at Hello Harley, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.